This is Chris from thetraderguy.com taking a look at the upcoming March 3rd trading session. In front of you, I have cable, pound dollar. I see a little bit of a area here at 122.50, and those of you who are familiar with my work in the past, sometimes I talk about these minor areas, and I think this is an area worth paying attention to. You can see that the market stopped here several times in both directions, so obviously it's an area worth paying attention to. Now, as I look at this, I want to see whether or not we're going to bounce. If we do, I'm ready to go ahead and take a long. And a good way to look for the move, I think, is to, number one, look for where you could go. In this case, right about 124, I think, is about the place you're going to go before you run into serious trouble. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here, and looking at this candle, that's a nice marker to decide, hey, we've turned around and we've really broken higher. It looks like the buyers are coming into play. So above 123.05, so I would just have 123.07. I'm just going to take a pip or two of safety there, and then I'm going to put my stop loss below at this dashed line at 122.48. So this is a very tight trade, but that's the way this pair is going to be. I'm going to aim for 124 at the very least, and situation one would have me taking half, moving stop losses to break even, and just letting it go. Let's see if we can go to 125. At the very least, I would do that. Might be able to take just a full position there. Go ahead and take your profit and get out, or be at break even. The point here is at 124, I'm no longer willing to take a loss on this trade. So again, 122.48 would be the stop loss, 123.07 would be the entry, and then 124 would be where you need to start making decisions. Either take half, take all, or move to break even, or some combination therein. When I look at this chart, I do recognize that a breakdown below the 122.48, 45 level, something like that, sets up another trade, and that sets up a short trade. So at that point in time, you might be able to short and try to at least fill the gap down here, down to about 120.50, putting a stop above here. That's not the scenario I like, though, so we'll have to wait and see.